Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and my unveiling of our December group build. What this was just basically you take a build that you liked and make it festive somehow. So here's what I did. I hope you like it. I found some pine trees at Hobby Lobby that had LEDs that came with them. I brought in my stake bed that I love. My stake bed, it always did kind of remind me of a Christmas thing. And then I took Chandler and TJ and I got them putting the lights on the tree. I got Doug taking pictures. I got Daisy back there just wanting to climb into the tree because I'm sure there's a squirrel in there. Tim and Terry are hanging out front. And it was just a real fun, real quick build. All I did, I Mod Podged the base. And it actually had two holes in the back because this thing was supposed to be like a plaque that hung up on the wall, and that was perfect to run those light lines down and underneath and out. But it was just easy. Here's a couple of pictures of it with the lights on and lights off from the front and the sides. And I had a blast. It took me a couple of days just to get everything and then get the base done and all that. I did use Kaleido's white paint on the Mod Podge, and I was surprised at how nice it covered. I used maybe 15, 20 drops, like a half of a cup full on my .3 Mobius, and it covered really nice with that. But with that, I want to thank all of you for just being so awesome, your subscriptions, your thumbs up, your comments. Hey, and by the way, if I don't answer one of your comments, let me know I didn't answer it because odds are somehow it disappeared. I've been having trouble with YouTube where I see the comment, I click OK on it, and then when I go to make a comment on the comment, I can't find it. So let me know if that's happening to you, and I'll get a hold of YouTube and find out what's going on. I want to thank everybody in the group just for being like family to me. You guys are the most kind, talented people I've ever seen. And I want to thank every one of you because we have zero drama and it makes a huge difference. The upbeat every day in the group, just it brings everybody else up too. And that's all you guys, and I thank you very much for that from my heart. I really do. I want to say thank you to Gallery because they've helped me so much over the past couple of years, not only with supplies and things like that, but with constantly helping me with questions and answers for questions that other people have given me. I especially want to thank all our active duty people right now that are deployed because I know what that's like. First responders that have to work and are away from their families. I understand it's tough, and I appreciate you guys out there every day putting it on the line so we can keep doing what we're doing. And I really want to ask everybody to take a second and thank a vet when you see them. It only takes a second, and it does mean a lot. And with that, I told you this was going to be a quick video, and I'll let you go. You all have a great day, a better tomorrow, and Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you again for watching.